The 17th century mathematician, physicist, and philosopher Blaise Pascal once wrote a letter to a dear friend and opened the letter by saying, "I'm sorry I have written you such a long letter. I didn't have time to write you a short one." And I think Blaise Pascal there hits at the heart of one of the many reasons that we have still in the world death by PowerPoint. It is that people think they don't have the time to prepare effectively, and therefore they write the equivalent of Blaise Pascal's long letter as opposed to a short one. They think they don't have time to prepare 3 slides, which might transform the impact of their content for the audience and have it be applied so much more smoothly. So instead, they throw everything they know about the topic in 50, 30, 20, 60 different slides in the hope that eventually, in the midst of all that content, there'll be something worth looking at. But the big mistake with anything to do with slides is actually to realize that the communication does not take place on the slide or through the slide or because of the slide. There are 2 really big questions to ask when you're communicating anything to anybody in the hope that they will implement your expertise. One is, what is the key idea I have about this topic that we're here to discuss? And 2, how do I know in my gut that this key idea can truly add value to my audience, can truly make a difference to them, can truly help them sleep better at night, help them be less anxious about the project and its funding, help them get their boss off their back, help them see something and feel something which they want to, as opposed to feel they have to implement. Those are the 2 questions. And then there's a third question, and only after you've got solid answers to those 2 questions. And the third question is, do I need a slide to be able to underpin and support that key idea? Because if I don't actually need one, why don't I just show up, share the key idea in a conversation, and see where that conversation takes us?